जय जगन्नाथ मु मधुस्मिता लर्न विथ मधुस्मिता चैनल को आपण मानक स्वागत। बीएड एंट्रेंस एग्जाम सरी जाइए। चलतु साइंस स्ट्रीम रे आसीथिबा या टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करबा। When students in a class are frequently off task during group activities, the teacher should option A allow all students to socialize during group work to keep them comfortable. Option B reduce the number of group activities and focus more on direct instruction. Option C assign all tasks as individual work to avoid distraction. Option D use group roles and provide clear instruction to ensure accountability within each group. The correct answer होची option D use group roles and provide clear instruction to ensure accountability within each group. Next question, what is the best way for the teacher to handle a classroom while students are frequently disruptive and preventing others from learning? Option A the correct answer is option C establish clear cut rules and expectation while providing consistent positive reinforcement for exhibiting good behavior. Next, name the classroom management technique that helps students to become self-disciplined and responsible for their own learning. The correct answer is collaborative problem solving. Next question, 94. According to Lev Vygotsky, learning is option A an individual activity, option B a positive activity, option C a conditioned activity, option D a social activity. Correct answer is option D a social activity. Through experience and training, this statement was given by option B Gates. Next question, which of the following is an important social goal of education? Correct answer is option C developing a sense of cooperation and responsibility. Next question, the role of NTA is to option A oversee curriculum development, option B manage teaching training program, option C conduct national level entrance examination, option D develop higher education policies. The correct answer is option C conduct national level entrance examination. Conduct national level entrance examination. Next question, the key challenges in the implementing competency based education is emphasizing students mastery of skill. Next question, which of the following is responsible for implementing the midday meal scheme? The correct answer is option C MOI. Last question, one of the major disadvantages of excessive use of technology in education. The option A enhance critical thinking skill. Option B, reduce accessibility for students from low income backgrounds. Option C, improved classroom. Option D, increase teacher student interaction. तो करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी, reduce accessibility for students for low income background.